Yeah, I'm calling the dealer now and seeing what they can do to
Yeah,
help. Maybe
yeah.
have roadside assistance or something.
I think so. You know, so.
Oh,